Hey everybody, we're off on a trip here. We're gonna go and deliver some food, wine guides, maybe get some drone shots of the Polestar and some scenic roads. And yeah, just reset the trip meter, trying out the journey log now that it works. And we have the Twig on board. Hey Twig, enjoying the Polestar? Yep. And I've also ordered a dash cam, so that should be coming soon. I'll be able to get some shots of driving along the roads, etc. So stay tuned for that. And now we're going to head off and make it on the map and head off across Kangaroo Island. We have a Rosenberg's goanna. He's come for his egg. Do you want to give him the egg now? Yeah. The goanna eating an egg. Look at him. That's a Rosenberg goanna. Relatively common on Kangaroo Island, but quite rare on the mainland. And he's obviously got a taste for egg. I used to feed them eggs when I was growing up too. Look at that. He's trying to eat the whole thing. Whoa. How cool is that? Yep, we're here at Stokes Bay, the campground behind the Rock Pool Cafe, one of the best spots on Kangaroo Island. Come and have some eggs. You won't be disappointed, just ask the goanna. Alright, we're back from our trip. I didn't take a before photo above all the dustiness, but it wasn't too bad. But look at the shiny. So shiny in the sunlight. Nice and clean. All washed. Very happy. Oh, look how shiny it is. So cool. New number plates haven't come yet. They should be here soon. And I'll hop in. Have a look at the what we did today. Alright, here we are in the Polestar. There's the trip meter. Had some good driving today. Just over 200 kilometers, 17.8 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, which yeah, some spirited driving, as they say, around the corners. Always following the road rules, of course. And we did some backcountry or dirt road driving, filmed it with a drone, follow the drone, all that kind of stuff. So be cool to see how that come out. Got back with 23% battery after 70. We left with 70. And let's see what the rage assistant says. Go to the history there. Yeah, there you can see the difference driving. I need to wash the screen again, obviously. And yeah, so that's the last driving for the last 100 Ks, all spelled out there. Used a fair bit of the air conditioner today. It was a bit warm. It's 23, but it's beautiful sunny weather. You'll see that on the drone. So yeah, Add the journey log on. So there you go. That's something new. I'll have to work out how that all happened. I don't really know how this all works. Journey details. Excuse the screen again. Hickman's Road. Wow, it breaks it all down. That's absolutely amazing. That is crazy next level detail. Whoa. I spent hours going through that. Yeah, crazy. Really happy that the journey log is working now. Put it back on the maps. And it's starting to get a bit warm in here, so I think I'm going to wrap things up. But yeah, look forward to seeing that drone footage. Made it home safely. Car's all washed. Time to put it back in the garage and start charging again. Thanks for watching. I've been resisting taking off the last stickers, the last bit of protection wrapping there. And the actual mileage sticker that you get in a dealership, that is still on there too. I don't know what it is with me and just leaving stuff. Bit of OCD, but I think I'm going to take it off now. So I can't see. Will it come off? I kind of don't want to do it. It's freaking me out for some reason. Should I leave it on there until I get the wrap done? But that's not going to be wrapped anyway. I'm going to take it off. It's so scary. It's freaking me out. I don't know what it is about this. Freaks me out. Freaking me out. How is it even on there? Off it comes. Sorry, Polestar. Cool, it's off. Look at that. The last little bit there. How do I get that off? Why won't it come off? I don't want to scratch the underneath with my nail. There it comes. The last little bit of plastic, the last little bit of joy, the last newness coming off the Polestar. Whoa! Look at that shining light. Look at it. Yeah. So shiny, so shiny, so new. And little did you know, I could watch myself on the YouTubes in my own car while the car is charging. Very nice. And now I need to take the energy consumption sticker off. So we shall be continued from the Polestar. Woot woot. Here we are. Twig, Polestar. Got back parked in the garage and thought I'd just show you the solar charging station. Ordered some Back to the Future stickers, or one sticker, but I think I'm going to get a couple more. Flux capacitor sticker. And yeah, that's the Fronius charging to the solar panels. And all nicely set up. That's a detachable unit there, so I can take it with me. It's also a smart charger linked to the inverter. And here's the car. Twiggy. Electric mower. Very happy with that. Recommend that to anybody as well. And what's that, Twig? Got the car all set up for the road trip. Fridge, swag, fits perfectly. Can fold the back seat down, but have a look at that later. What do you reckon, Twig? Ready to go on a road trip? Good girl. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is how you close it. Close it up. And then you get a nice little signal when you lock it up. There you go. And when you open it, you get the Night Rider. What do you reckon, Twig? Pretty cool, eh? There it is. Watching the Polestar, in the Polestar, on the YouTubes while I'm charging. So cool. Alright. There we go. One bay, just flew the dryer. Listening to myself in my own car. Radio Triple J. Yes, she is. Finally arrived. Watching my own video in the Polestar. So weird. Did the nice little watching my own video on the YouTubes in the Polestar.